Everyone, in today's video we will see how to reset the Rapoo mouse, full reset guide for Bluetooth and wireless models. Method 1. Reset a 2.4 GHz wireless Rapoo mouse. First, turn off the Rapoo mouse using the power switch. Unplug the USB receiver from your computer. Wait 10 to 30 seconds and plug the USB receiver back into a USB port. Then turn the USB receiver back into a USB port and plug the mouse back on. Now press and hold the left mouse button while switching the mouse on or immediately after turning it on. Then release it after a few seconds. This restabilizes the wireless connections on many Rapoo wireless model. Method 2. Reset a Bluetooth Rapoo mouse. For Bluetooth models, turn the mouse off. Wait about 10 seconds, plug it back on. Then press and hold the Bluetooth and pairing button for at least 3 seconds until the LED starts flashing. Then remove the mouse from your computer Bluetooth settings and pair it again as a new Bluetooth device. The method 3. Restore factory settings, the gaming model. Some Rapoo gaming mics support a factory reset through the Rapoo software. Install the latest Rapoo, the driver or software for your mouse model. Then open the Rapoo software, then go to support or settings and select reset device or factory reset. If available, confirm the reset and reconnect the mouse when prompted. Goodbye and thanks for watching.